Hey guys, Cody here with Fount Atelier, and today we're going to do a little bit of charcoal drawing. All right, charcoal. Now, maybe you've used charcoal, maybe you haven't. Charcoal is one of my absolute favorite drawing mediums. Charcoal kind of fills this unique spot traditionally between drawing with a graphite pencil and painting with oil paint. The reason is that charcoal, like drawing, is a dry media. You can get it in pencil form. You can sharpen it to a sharp point. You can be very precise. Things like that. You can erase it. It's very much like painting in that it's much more expressive than graphite. It has a much wider value range. You can go really, really dark. You could work on toned paper and add chalk as well to get really, really bright brights and build them up thickly just like you would a oil painting. And one of my favorite tools to use with charcoal is actually paintbrushes, where you can spread it around and blend it just like you would paint. You can draw any subject in charcoal, but one of my favorite things to draw are plaster casts. Now, using plaster casts as a drawing aid is a super good way to practice drawing, and I'll get into why that is in a future video. But for this one, I thought it would be fun to just go about showing you how I do a cast drawing using charcoal on toned paper with a little bit of chalk added in. So let's check it out. All right, that was a lot of fun. As you can see, you can get some pretty cool results in just doing little sketches with charcoal. If you want to give it a shot yourself and just play around a little bit, I've linked all of the materials that I used in this video down in the description below. One warning though, if you've never used charcoal before, you might find that it is a little bit trickier to use than just a regular drawing pencil. So I really recommend that you get some practice in drawing in graphite first before you jump into using charcoal. Now, if you feel like you need a little bit of guidance in that area, I actually created an online course called Drawing Fundamentals that covers the 4 key things that I think every artist needs to know and master when it comes to doing drawings in graphite. So you can go ahead and check that out at the link below in the description. With that, if you like this video, I'd really encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with friends. That way you can see more like it in the future. Until next time, stay creative, my friends.